So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company's called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I really do appreciate it. Hope you're having a super great day so far. If you're not, I'm sorry, it's gonna get better. I know what you're thinking, Dylan. Who are you? Why do you think my day is gonna get better? Well, there's some good hope. There's some good news for you. If you're an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or any gig worker actually, but we talk about Uber and Lyft drivers, but this applies to all gig workers. And if you ever feel sick, if you ever need to take a day off, there's a company that will transfer you funds. They will send you money so you can stay at home if you're sick. If you qualify, you need to go to the doctor, you need to take a sick day. I have taken so many, well, there's a lot of times where I could have definitely used that in the past, where I went out and drove while I still felt sick. Right now, it's more important than ever to stay home if you're sick. Obviously, wear a face mask if you're sick. But right now, definitely, if you feel sick, you should stay at home if you have any symptoms. In the past, I've had to, make my car payment or make my rent or pay my credit card. I had so many bills while I was driving full time. And there were days where I felt sick where I didn't want to work, but I had to. I had no other option. But now, fortunately, the company Cover, which we're talking about today, gives you cash for if you feel sick. And I just want to share this screenshot with you guys on somebody who got cash with Cover. And just to show proof. By the way, if you use my link down below to sign up for Cover, you get your first 30 days for free. So use my link because we at the Rideshare Hub have that special offer. So this is a conversation that I had with one of my followers. He ended up using my link for Cover to sign up. Thank you. I'm not going to reveal your name, but he sent me this. He goes, we were having a big conversation about rideshare lawyers. He got deactivated and he was trying to get his account back actually through Cover, and I was helping him because, I work with them. I work with Cover. But he goes, I put in this, so, the first two lines are not important, but he goes, I put in for sick day today. I was out for about 5 hours and was feeling off. Trust me, I've been there. Driving 5 hours straight, if you're feeling sick and you have to put in a 12-hour day of driving Uber, that is not fun. After 5 hours of driving, you are not going to feel good. He goes, I felt off. Decided to call it an early day. I ground out 30 rides in one day yesterday, over 14 hours, 12 on the app, and got home around 12:30 my time last night. You guys know that when whatever it says on the app, that's not the actual time. You spend time going to the bathroom, you gotta log off really quick, you gotta drive home at the end of the night. You might need to log off the app to go to a search zone. You guys know that online time is not accurate. You're actually driving for a lot longer, right? You gotta stop and get gas, stop and get food. Time adds up. So we did 5 hours, and then I asked him, sick day with Cover, because we were already talking about Cover. He goes, yes. And I go, did they send you the money? He goes, I just submitted it within the hour. Probably won't hit until tomorrow. And I go, okay, let me know. He sent me that, guys, at 7:45 p.m., maybe 8 p.m. And, we're talking about bonuses, whatever, just having a great conversation, rideshare driver stuff. We're on the inside, right? I'm a driver, he's a driver, we're all talking about it. He goes, Saturday, then Sunday, blah, blah, blah. So this will help me somewhat. I go, $240 bonus. He goes, 240. That's a lot of rides. Because he had to hit, whatever, we were talking about how many rides he had to hit. He had to hit 120 rides. I was like, that's a lot of rides. He texted me 8:24 a.m. So literally 12 hours later, overnight, he goes, the wire transfer hit. I go, how much? $300. Cover sent him $300 in sick pay. That was awesome. And he said, I think he just got reinstated. You know, I'm gonna have to follow up with this guy and see if he did. But for the first time in months, he was able to sign into his app thanks to Cover. And he got $300 in sick pay. So this sick day pay, the $300 this driver got, he needs to pay back. He has to pay that money back. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will talk to you all soon. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Bye, guys.